Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm focusing on gut health because we have immune cells in our gut, which is especially important during winter when our immunity needs extra support. So a healthy gut is essential for overall well-being and resilience. Now, for this tea, I'm going to be using marshmallow root, which is known for its ability to soothe the digestive tract and reduce inflammation. And pau d'arco, which is a bark, is another ingredient that helps maintain gut health, and its antimicrobial properties really help to support the gut. And finally, clove, and I've got the organic clove right here. Now, clove adds a gentle warmth that promotes digestion and helps balance gut bacteria. Now, to make this friendly tea for your gut, all you need to do is add 1 teaspoon of each. So that's just 1 teaspoon of your marshmallow root, your pau d'arco, and your cloves. And you will use 500 mils of hot water and steep it. Make sure the water's boiled, of course, and steep these herbs for just 10 minutes. Then you strain and drink. Now, this tea can be consumed daily as a gentle way to support your gut health throughout the winter. Now, you can find these herbs at naturalworkshops.com and get 50% off to get you started this winter to get your winter remedies. Now, if you want to also join our Telegram group for more natural health tips, I'll add the link in the description below. And also, learn how to make a supportive herbal tea by using these herbs like marshmallow root, pau d'arco and clove, because this tea is ideal for winter in supporting the digestion and helping maintain a balanced gut naturally. And if you haven't already joined our Telegram group, I'll put the link in the description below. Go there. I'll be going live GMT, which is Greenwich Mean Time, British Standard Time, at 9:30 each week. And you can ask questions there, join the discussions as well, and also contribute with your well-being tips of what has worked for you. And let's grow this community and support our natural health. So thank you for listening. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with others, and tune in. So hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more upcoming content on natural well-being information and tips to support your well-being. So for now, be happy, stay healthy, and always be wise. And I'll see you in the next video.